everyone, it's Chris O. See how I've done this water stop? I'll come straight into there, and then I'll put an angle piece down to the door. The tile will be above that aluminium so it's not seen. So let's get into it. I'll show you. I'll pre-cut them to save a bit of time while I'm filming. I'll show you how it's done. So we'll zap the glue out. This is a 15mm notchy, don't forget. It's probably worn to a 14 though. Right, see the floor waste? See the way my lines are going? Let's see if I haven't miscut it. I like it. I like it a lot. Good one. I'll just try and get a bit of glue just a bit closer to that edge. Right, let's get this one in. Nice. Move my water stop a little bit. I'll be mitering that so I come up. So it just looks like a grout line. little bit of adjustment. There you have it. There you have it, folks. Nice. Rightio. Now make sure that's looking nice. All four corners are meeting up nicely. Good one. Now I'll angle my piece down. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye. It's just the beginning. Don't forget. Subscribe. See ya. Bye.